Hey y'all, it's the Data Finance. I just wanted to come with some more information about PancakeSwap and what they're doing. PancakeSwap.finance is the website, and today I'm going to be talking about IFO, Initial Farm Offerings. So what that means is a token is about to come out and it hasn't come out yet. They want to make sure that it has a good launch, and what you do is you'll stake cake, and then your cake will add up to how much that you can use to buy that token for a certain price, the initial price that they have already set. And the previous one, I'll just give it as an example, is called FROYO, like frozen yogurt, FROYO. And that one is a game that's going to be coming out. It's got a token. There's a lot more information on it if you want to read about it on PancakeSwap. And what you have to do when you go to PancakeSwap is if you go on a mobile device, it'll be the little three dots at the bottom on the right. You click on that, you'll see IFO, it's the second one on there. And you stake your cake, how much cake you want to do. Then there's a basic and an unlimited. Basic is where you can do like $100 worth of cake to buy the token. Like for FROYO, the token was 6 cents. That's 0.06 US dollars. So anyways, it was that much for a token, and for their coin. And what you do is you will stake your cake, and it builds up how much you can give. I staked 10 cake, and it built up to over $100 worth within about 5 days to use to buy the FROYO. Now you do have to use your cake, and they burn your cake whenever you use it, but they'll use your cake in order to buy it. And for the basic, you can only get 100 US dollars worth, USD worth. And after that, you can do an unlimited, but unlimited has different tiers on percentages and things like that. And I'll go over all that in the video that I'm going to show right after this. All right, y'all, I'm showing you the video now, and I'm going to explain like how to do it and what you can do when you do it. See you on the other side. Hey y'all, I'm just going to show you on here. This right here is the Medium article about initial farm offerings, IFO 3.0 for IFO cake pool. It talks about, what you need to do when you stake your cake for the IFO. And it talks about how you earn credits to participate into the IFO. And then you stake your cake in IFO cake pool to earn IFO credits. Once you get enough credits, usually if you're doing just the basic, it'll be 10 cake worth or $100 worth usually, which now it's a little bit more than that on cake. And whenever you stick it in, it's got a calculation period, and that's what you get from the IFO credits. You also are getting the auto compounding. It's not as much as for the auto compound on regular PancakeSwap pools, but it is done every hour, so it's still really good. The deposit fee, there's no deposit fee, but if you unstake within 24 hours, it's a withdrawal fee of 1%. And there's a pool fee of 2% that's subtracted automatically from each yield harvest. It might change in the future, it says. Other details about the new IFO cake. The stake rewards from the cake, the calculation period will not be accounted for during the IFO credit calculation. Only for the principal amount will be accounted for. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but if you manually stake your cake into IFO cake pool in the last 24 hours, a 1% unstaking fee will be applied when you unstake the amount. But usually you just want to do the basic. And once you do the basic cake, the basic amount, which is the $100 that you can use for the IFO, the new token. Then there's an unlimited pool that you can do, but there is a fee for that. And the fee drops off, gets less and less as the more money that you're going to put aside for that new token. So what should you do? You stake the cake in the IFO cake pool, you enable it, and then stake the cake. So you enable it, it goes to your Trust Wallet or MetaMask. It says, hey, do you want to do this? You say yes, and then you stake it, and then you got to pay your gas fees for it of how much you're going to stake. Usually I just stake about 10 cake because that's about all I'm going to spend on the basic one. And it pops up all the information right here. You can check your IFO credits, which it compounds like insane. I don't know what it is, but when you do like 10 cake, you'll have like at least $100 in a day that you can use toward the IFO. It's really, it goes up really quickly. I think I did 10 cake, and in like 3 days I had like $300 that I could use to buy the new token. I'm going to go to the here on the bottom right, and you press the IFO. It's the initial farm offering. The sale is finished for the FROYO, but here's the basic sale. You stake cake in the IFO pool for the basic sale, and then it tells you how much they're trying to raise. It tells you the price of the FROYO that it's going to be, which is 6 cents. The max cake entry at that time was 9.1. But unlimited, the max cake entry that you could have done was 84.5 or around that area. And price per FROYO with that fee was 9 cents. But you got to make sure you have an active profile. So make a profile and then stake your cake and then commit the cake and then claim your tokens. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below. If you like my information, then subscribe. I appreciate it. Data Finance, Matt Ron. Y'all have a great day. Bye. All right, I just showed the video about how to do it on the IFO, the initial farm offerings, and I hope you enjoy it. If you like this content, please tap the like button and subscribe to my channel so it can grow and get bigger, and I can give you more content like this. This is Matt Ron, Data Finance. See y'all.